The extremely restricted black card is a term that we're all familiar with. You probably already know that Amex's black card is only available to extremely rich, high-spending celebrities. It's frequently used by well-known celebrities and company owners and is formally known as the Centurion card from American Express. You've undoubtedly also heard that getting this card costs an absurd amount of money. But if you happen to be a big spender who values exclusivity and customer service that goes above and beyond, it could be the right choice for you. But how can you even obtain a Centurion card, even if you were adamant about doing so? It turns out that you can really enter your name if you match certain criteria, although quite ambitious ones. The Amex Centurion Black Card is a credit card for extravagant, high-spending celebrities that is available only by invitation. It's a card that openly advertises a $10,000 initial cost as well as a $5,000 yearly fee. You may also be aware of the absurd perks that it comes with, like the greatest global personal assistant program, exclusive reservations, international gift delivery, and unique access to services that are unavailable anywhere else. Even the American Express Black Card phone line is only supposed to ring once, according to a rumor I overheard. Shall we at least give it a go? Anyway, how can I assist you today? What exactly is a Centurion card? As a result of the card's extreme wildness, I would compare it to the legendary Ho-Oh from the world of Pokemon. How do you even acquire it? Even if you are willing to spend $15,000 in the first year of card ownership, getting an American Express Black Card is difficult, but it's not impossible, as it turns out. Don't get me wrong, the specific procedures you must follow in order to be accepted and invited to apply for an American Express Centurion Black Card are listed below. To be eligible, you must first maintain good standing with American Express. This implies that you must own some kind of American Express card product and that you cannot be on the blacklist or have ever missed a payment. You should have held an American Express card for at least a year before applying. Sufficient income that is reported on your American Express personal account is the second item you should have. On the Update Your Income tab, you may verify this data. Since American Express may check this information through a financial review, be truthful with it. You must spend the minimum amount necessary to be eligible for the Centurion card. There's a spending threshold, even if American Express doesn't have an official page saying it. To get invited to the card, you would typically need to make at least $250,000 in transactions across all of your Amex accounts. It appears that things have changed in 2023. Current American Express Black Card members' data points reveal an entirely different picture. Spending $500,000 or more on a single card over several years results in people still not receiving invitations. The Centurion card is available in both personal and business variant. If all you're doing is buying business cards, you need to spend more to get noticed, possibly $1 million a year or perhaps $5 million to $10 million. If you're unable to spend a lot of money, you may be more proactive to improve your chances of receiving an invitation. Make a connection with someone at American Express. Attend events, meet with people, and network. Check to see if you can have your account added to a location where you may be viewed for Centurion card qualifications by chatting with a customer service representative or calling the number on the card. Manual invite requests are also possible. Holders of American Express Centurion cards get access to a special internet gateway where they can submit information. Remember that receiving an invitation to the Centurion card is difficult and necessitates a number of things, including spending, developing relationships, and networking. The American Express Platinum card, which provides substantial advantages and value for a lower annual cost than the Centurion card, is an alternate choice. The Centurion Concierge, or Personal Concierge, is one of the most well-known perks that the Centurion card offers. You can use the Concierge for a variety of chores. With the Centurion Concierge, you'll be assigned a personal point of contact who is available around the clock and who can help with more than just travel-related issues. Your Centurion Concierge is there to assist you on any of your needs, from difficult dinner reservations and assistance with locating sold-out Christmas gifts to last-minute travel arrangements and front-row tickets at the most popular live events. One of the main advantages of having the Centurion card is the free Delta SkyMiles Platinum Medallion status, which is worth almost $3,000 annually. The higher earning categories when booking paid flights, limitless gratis upgrades, a number of waived costs, including luggage charges and same-day fees, and access to choice benefits, including regional upgrades, more SkyMiles, and more, are all included with the Platinum status. When you decide against the collision damage waiver and your automobile is stolen or lost, the Centurion card is among the finest credit cards for car rental insurance. You'll also receive up to 4 free services each year, along with 24/7 premium roadside assistance. You also get the Centurion Auto Program, which most people are aware of for its bargains and discounts discounts on the purchase of luxury vehicles, as well as its preferential pricing on opulent rentals and driving experiences like on-track competitions and off-road excursions. Also included with this card are elite memberships in the Hertz Gold Plus Rewards, President's Circle, and the Avis President's Club. The flexibility of American Express membership reward points make them useful. They may be transferred, often, 1-1, to any of the 17 airlines or 3 lodging partners. Furthermore, American Express frequently provides transfer incentives so you can maximize the value of your point. Delta for SkyTeam Airlines, British Airways, and Iberia Avios, Oneworld, and Air Canada Aeroplane, Star Alliance are some of the most often used airline transfer partners. Additionally, you may exchange your points for a wide range of gift cards for restaurants, shops, and travel. Rates range from 0.5 cents to 1 cent per membership rewards point, depending on the merchant. Several merchants, most notably Amazon, allow you to purchase using points at a rate of 0.7 cents per membership reward point. As you can see, using membership rewards for travel is preferable to using points to purchase gift cards or make online purchases. A clear membership for the cardholder and up to 3 family members is now covered by the annual statement credit. At the moment, more than 65 airports, stadiums, and other venues provide Clear, a biometric authentication system that expedites security and deposits you directly in front of the queue. Now that Centurion cardholders are granted a yearly membership to the private suite at LAX, traveling to and from the airport might make you feel like a real celebrity. The typical membership fee is $4,500, but since you must pay an extra $2,700 to $3,000 each time you utilize a service, it's unlikely that most cardholders would find this advantage to be particularly valuable. The majority of travel fares paid with the approved card provide coverage for checked luggage up to $2,000, and for carry-on and checked baggage up to a combined limit of $3,000 per trip. At 1,000 of the best restaurants in the world, a table is reserved every day for Centurion members. It's a first-come, first-served for reservations. Access to exclusive tastings and excursions in Napa is included. Members also get access to exclusive purchasing and collecting possibilities thanks to Centurion's collaboration with Crush Wine and Spirits, Cellar Advisors, and Porthos. Monthly wine buying deals on Centurion.com. A dedicated wine buying specialist. A free annual tasting experience for 2 people at Crush Wine and Spirits. Free shipping upgrades, free storage for all wines purchased from Crush and Wine and Spirits for up to 1 year, and a quarterly Centurion Crush Journal with wine buying news and opportunities. Free annual 1-hour consultations with wine collecting experts. Free annual evaluations of up to 100 rare wines. Free 1-year subscription to SellerTracker.com worth $150. Preferred rates for storage and logistics at Domain Wine Storage Facility, and 10% off consultation. Storage and logistic fees are all included. Although the yearly Saks credit have long been a staple of the Platinum Card benefits, Centurion members are now rewarded with the next level shopping extravaganza with up to $250 in statement credits every quarter, or $1,000 annually. Additionally, Centurion cardholders have after-hour access to Saks locations in case you need a morning makeover before an important meeting or some late-night shopping. Select perks need enrollment. When you use your Centurion card to pay for a qualifying item with a guarantee of 5 years or less, you may receive up to 3 additional years of coverage. But keep in mind that several cards, such as the United Explorer card, Chase Sapphire Preferred, and various Amex cards provide extended warranties. Although you might not be eligible for the Centurion card, there are many alternative cards that provide many of the same benefits, like elite hotel status and yearly airline charge credits, as well as significantly higher earning potential and welcome bonuses. The Platinum Card from American Express is actually a far more sensible option for regular travelers. For starters, it offers a bonus of 80,000 points and many of the same travel benefits as a Centurion for a $695 annual charge, rates and taxes, as opposed to a $5,000 one. Hopefully, the examples above have shown you what a good life is like, and that it's also possible with other, more affordable cards.